Hi, my name is Don Briggs and I'm a member of the team at Breadboard Electronics. This is project 13, cat's eyes using an Astable Multivibrator. A multivibrator is a circuit that creates a simple two-state system. Here it is used to switch the LED states between on and off. Now, the multivibrator itself is this section here. As you can see, there's a couple of crossovers here and here, which do actually make it a bit fiddly to put together on a breadboard. And here you have 4 connections, and you have another 4 connections here, which also makes it a bit awkward and sometimes difficult to follow on the breadboard. But I'm sure you will get to it. Just keep persevering, because I can assure you it does actually work. Now we turn it on. There is a switch here which is already on, and as you see, the 2 LEDs lit up, and then they just go off. The on state is this capacitor here, and the off state is this capacitor. Now if you change the values of those, you will change the time that it is either on or off. Not very complex, but you have a few capacitors in your kit. Just raise them, lower them, and see the end effect. Now we call it cat's eyes because you could make a small box, put it at the end of the garden, so it just sort of flashes on and off from time to time. You can slow it right down, or you could change those LEDs for red LEDs and put them in a skull or something for Halloween. Anything. Ideal little circuit just to do something simple and quick. Now, this is the breadboard layout. As you can see, I've tried to make it as tidy as I can, but it's still all over the place. Yeah, there's wires connecting all sorts together. There are obviously easier ways of doing it, but you've just got to fight with it. The best way is to learn these circuits, learn the components, see where they go. Then you can always refer back to it and follow it when you come back to here. Well, let's turn this one on. Again, it's already switched on, and our green LEDs light up, and then they go off. We have a little switch on there as well, which we can just turn on and off at will. But that's just for convenience. But these are the 2 capacitors which change the speed rate, as I've written here, that you can actually change them at will. So nice little circuit to play with, experiment with, and do what you will. Thank you for watching.
Hi, this is project 13. It has spooky cat's eyes. We put it in as 13 because it's a nice number for Halloween, that sort of thing. These are our cat's eyes, and if you change those for red LEDs, then you could put them in a skull or something, for Halloween, or anything really. Now, the multivibrator is this little chunk here. There's 2 transistors down here, and these are the 2 capacitors. Now, these 2 capacitors, if you change those, you can change the amount of time that the LEDs are on, and also the amount of time that the LEDs are off. So it's a nice little circuit. It's a good circuit to play with and change things, just to see what the end result is. You can't break it, you can't do much wrong, but it is an ideal little circuit for learning. Thank you very much for watching.